Catch riders, here's how you can use the LoSo Parking Garage. To get your ticket, enter the garage through the Catch-specific lane. The overhanging Catch customer parking sign will guide you to your lane. You can validate parking using paper tickets or the Catch Pass app. Catch riders may park at any space in the garage except for a few that are marked as reserved. There are no spaces specifically marked for Catch use. Catch monthly, weekly, or day passes are required for validation. Round-trip and one-way fares are not eligible. Overnight parking by transit riders is not permitted. When you're ready to leave, head to one of the 2 exit lanes. Scan your paper parking ticket at the machine, and then scan your mobile or paper Catch ticket at the validator. The gate will open once the proper ticket and fare are confirmed. For assistance, press the Help button located on the parking machine.